If you're a water baby like me, then you are in for a treat on Lord Howe Island because the surrounding waters are out of this world. But if you are a little more hesitant about the ocean, stick with me because I think this might just be the place to change your mind. Lord Howe Island is surrounded by an underwater paradise with over 450 fish species and 90 coral species that are guaranteed to catch your eye. The lagoon is the perfect spot for snorkelers and beginner divers. It just so happens to be protected by the world's most southerly reef, so you can expect to come across a variety of magical underwater creatures. If you're after a bit of guidance on the island, there are a number of tour groups that can show you around in style, either under the water or on the surface. Lord Howe Island Environmental Tours caters to all your holiday needs, offering a heap of great tour options.
Environmental tours sort of came about because there was a need for people to really gain a better understanding about the island and its unique World Heritage values and a desire to show people just what makes Lord Howe such a special place. There are so many opportunities to really experience the ocean, from diving through to snorkeling, and of course the coral viewing, the glass-bottom boats.
The glass-bottom boat tour is a great way to stay dry while still experiencing the abundance of marine life. If you're up for keeping active on your holiday, kayaking or stand-up paddleboarding is a super fun way to enjoy the water from above the surface.
The lagoon's such a great environment to explore, so you can go on out to Blackburn Island or Rabbit Island, have a look at that little spot. You can paddle all the way up to North Bay, and if you want to, you can just go for a paddle to some of the coral holes within the lagoon and jump off and have a snorkel from your kayak. So it's just a beautiful place to visit for a whole day if you want to, or half an hour if that's all you want to do as well.